August 4th, it's a civic holiday in Canada, at least Ontario. I think it's all Canada. So today I'm going to do what I've been putting off for a long time. There's a number of jobs that I've got to do that I've been putting off, but outside has been kind of a priority. So I'm in my upper hallway, upstairs hallway bathroom. This bathroom was kind of demolished from having a flood back in the early days of owning this house. I redid the floors, painted walls, new curtains, fixed the flood, of course, it was a toilet that had blocked and it had a run on, so it was running all night and flooded down to the basement. New toilet, kind of reused some flooring from downstairs. Anyways, looks good. I like it. Put in kind of it's got a floor vent down here, and there was no baseboard under here, so I kind of put in some boarding. Anyway, so that's that. It's in okay shape, but the problem I'm finding is there's Waterhammer, and I think there's a pipe that goes down through the closet, or in the back of the closet, below here to the basement, and it needs a brace. And I set up opening up the wall and put a copper bracket on the pipe. I'm going to just install this Waterhammer Arrester. So let's see if you can hear it. Oh, I don't know if you can hear it, but it's pretty loud. Alright, so the deal is, I'm going to put this on and see if that does the trick. And just first thing, let me get some light on the subject. Brought up this LED light from the basement. Hopefully it's got enough cordage to get there and give me enough light. Really don't use this bathroom and the toilet very often, but might as well get it done. If I get a visitor, my son, my mom, guest, it'd be nice to have it working. Also replace the, I don't know if this had a GFCI, but I put in a nice black one because it's all tiled in here. It's kind of cool. Lights aren't very bright. Just put in a new fan cover, new towel racks. We've got a nice burgundy memory foam mat to go with the gray, black, and burgundy shower curtain. Alright, let's see what happens. Oh, we got light. Yeah, nice and light. It actually shine enough. Let me see what's going on over there. That's probably enough. Any other better option? The camera's gonna move. Let's see. Alright. So, first thing, shut off the water. Drain it. And I'm just going to get a cloth, pick up any spillage. My foot's gonna fall asleep on me. the first thing is to find out if this is even the right fit. Got this Waterhammer Arrester at Rona a couple of months ago. It's so tight in here I can't really get two hands in there. So it'll be what it'll be. A little water coming out. Let's see. This cup's never used. Let it drain out. There's a bit. The arrestor. Parts flying everywhere. I should have got my glasses. Maybe I'll go grab them. Okay, so this side, yeah, this side will fit for sure. I guess I should have checked to make sure there's, yeah. Same place, doesn't matter. Let's have it angle in. Sometimes it's a good idea to back it up to make sure it's in the right thread. Of course, it's slippery. You don't over tighten either. See if that does it. Alright. Over here. Can I get anyone in there? Well, whatever. Hopefully on a larger screen. On my little screen it's hard to tell, it's kind of dark. On a larger screen I'm sure you'll be fine. Okay, so let's open the main first. See if I have any leaks. Stir it a little bit. Now, I don't know if this has to be engaged or not. Alright, so far nothing, so that's good. This all the way. you're getting on the screen, but the light must be having a certain frequency and hertz, and I've got banding going across the little screen here. Alright, it's filling. Oh, it's quiet. Okay, so I guess this is a shut-off. And of course I would be engaged. So, test. A little noise at first there. But that's not the end of the world. It's the real hammer at the end that I don't want. So far I don't see any leakage. It's a bit of a mess down there, but nobody ever looks. Quiet enough for me. Alright, job done. Got a couple of pieces to pick up. Brass collars. The other nut. And since I'm in there with a wet rag, look at the dust bunnies. I don't really get in here. It's hard to get in with a vacuum. And you gotta get down on your hands and knees to do anything. So since I'm in here, let's do a little bit. The front part I can get at. Bring that through. So I think I will have to keep an eye on this over the next couple of days just to make sure it doesn't leak. Alright. So that's something that's been needed for about 7 years. And finally done. Pull the curb back a bit. Whoa. Just to get through this. You know, I could do it with a mop and all that, but since I'm down here. Alright. I like the concrete job around the toilet. Pretty wide. It's pretty thick, better than downstairs though. I could get a scraper and clean up some of the stuff around that that plank. This stuff here, it's like a laminated barn board. Looks good though, it's good stuff. Alright, okay, case closed, good enough.